Welcome to Jonathan's Guide to Data Science, where we'll be covering everything, concept-wise at least, you'll need for an entry-level data science position and probably even a little bit more. But really at its core, this is the course, for lack of a better word, that I would have wanted when I started learning data science. The videos themselves are going to be a mix of lecture-style presentation, where I cover more the conceptual side of things, as well as hands-on projects where I actually apply the concepts we're going to be learning and show you how to implement these things in code and work through some exercises yourself. These videos are really intended for data science beginners with no real prerequisites besides maybe being familiar with programming in general. You don't need to know Python or R or Julia or data science libraries. We'll cover those through the videos, but it will be helpful to have a general understanding of computational thinking and programming. And on the theory side, all you're really going to need to know is basic high school level math and statistics and probability. If you do want to brush up on things or feel you might be a little bit rusty, I'll link to some of my favorite resources for learning to code and learning basic statistics and math that you might need for the data science videos. We'll start with a general introduction to data science and the data science process before diving into exploratory data analysis and learning how to munge and transform data to get it ready to actually do some real analysis. We'll then move into some data visualization techniques as well as basic statistics to understand a data set. We'll then move into more the analysis portion of things where we'll be talking about hypothesis testing, inferential statistics, algorithms, and machine learning. And we'll wrap up with some more possibly specialized topics, things like data engineering and dealing with data at scale, some more advanced algorithms and machine learning, things like deep learning, as well as some more interesting applications, things like recommender systems and how do you actually do machine learning in practice. So if this sounds interesting and useful to you, the best way to stay up to date is probably to just subscribe to the channel,